As the weather warms, you're going to want a cold and delicious dessert. Not talking about ice cream, but walking cheesecake. Stay tuned so you can learn how to make it. I'm about to make the No Bake Cheesecake walking dessert. So I had to let it set for 24 hours. And I absolutely love this type of cheesecake. I know typical cheesecake, was it like New York cheesecake, you have to bake it with egg and all of that, and I'm not doing all that. So this one is different. I've had it since I can remember. My mother has made it consistently. It's super easy. I'm pretty sure it's probably on the back of a cream cheese pack. And I'm really excited about the chessmen cookies because, I mean, I've had those growing up for, shoot, so many years. I've had, like, love the butter shortbread cookies. And so, just like mixing two of my favorite things. I hope you guys make it and enjoy it. It is so good. So, we have all of our ingredients: sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, lemon juice, and cream cheese. You want to make sure that your cream cheese does get to room temperature. It definitely helps when you are going to mix it with your condensed milk. I make sure I scrape all of the condensed milk into the bowl, and you want to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. A little bit later on, I'm probably going to put another half just because I really love vanilla extract. You want to add a 1/3 cup of lemon juice. The best, of course, is using fresh squeezed lemon juice. Everything fresh, it always tastes better. We're going to begin mixing it in our mixer. Make sure it's smooth. And while that is mixing, we're going to grab our mini chessmen cookies. We're going to take a few out because those are going to be our garnish. We're going to leave the rest of them in there, and if you have a rolling pin, great. I didn't, so I used a coffee mug to crush up the rest of the chessmen cookies that were in the bag. And they're crushed pretty good. You don't want it to be like dust, but you want good chunky pieces. You want it to be like a crust when you mix it with the cheesecake. Taking the cheesecake out, by the way, I put it in a pan and let it set for overnight, 24 hours, and it is firm, it wasn't jelly. So I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out bits of the cheesecake. We're gonna add the cheesecake to our crushed mini chessmen cookies. It is gonna get a bit sticky, but it's okay. We'll shake it up, make sure it blends pretty good. We actually just want the chessmen cookies to cling to the cheesecake. And I'm using a whole cookie to scrape off the rest of the cheesecake. Go ahead and add a wooden dessert spoon. Easy to use and super easy to clean up. And here you have a no-bake walking cheesecake. So if you're gonna serve this, keep it in the cooler, or like I did, just put a nice ice tray out and you want to set it on top. And of course, eat it right when it comes out. You want to make sure that it still stays cold, and it's delicious. I hope you guys try it and enjoy it. And if you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.